Hello everyone, my name is Jayla, and today I'll walk you through the neural pathway of gustation, the sense of taste. From the receptors on your tongue all the way to the brain taste processing sensors. Here's the table of contents for reference. Let's begin with the gustatory receptors. These are located in the taste buds, which are found primarily on the tongue, but also in the soft palate, pharynx, and epiglottis. Each taste bud contains gustatory epithelial cells that respond to 5 basic tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. When a tastant, which is a chemical that stimulates taste, binds to receptors on these cells, it triggers a depolarization that generates a sensory impulse. This impulse must now be transmitted to the brain, and this is where specific cranial nerves come in. There are 3 cranial nerves that are involved in taste. The first one is the facial nerve. It carries taste sensations from the anterior 2/3 of the tongue. Then is the Glossopharyngeal nerve. This nerve transmits signals from the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. Lastly is the vagus nerve. It carries taste impulses from areas like the epiglottis and lower pharynx. Once the taste impulses reach the nerves, they travel to the medulla oblongata, specifically to a region called the nucleus of solitary tract, which is part of the brainstem. This is the first major relay station in the gustatory pathway. From there, the signals are sent to the thalamus, which acts as a processing and routing center. The thalamus filters the information and then relays it to the primary gustatory cortex, which is located in the insula and frontal operculum regions of the cerebral cortex. At this point, we become consciously aware of the taste. Additionally, signals are sent to the hypothalamus and limbic system, linking taste with emotion, hunger, and memories. For example, the comforting taste of a family recipe or aversion from a bad food experience. So to summarize, taste receptors in the taste buds detect tastants. Then the signals travel via cranial nerves 7, 9, and 10 to the nucleus of the solitary tract in the medulla. The signal then moves to the thalamus, and from there is projected to the gustatory cortex with connections also in the limbic system and hypothalamus. This intricate pathway allows us not only to detect and identify taste, but also to connect them with pleasure, disgust, and memory, making gustation one of our most emotionally rich senses. Thank you, and I hope this gave you a sweeter understanding of this pathway.